Welcomes viewers to your YouTube channel Auto Creative Zone and immediately tells them what the video is about, the CFMOTO 750 SRS. It sets the tone by calling it a sport machine that blends design, performance, and technology, showing that this bike is modern and exciting. Design and aesthetics. Here, the script highlights how the 750 SRS looks. It describes the sharp, aerodynamic bodywork, LED lighting, and sporty styling, features inspired by racing bikes. This makes it clear the SRS isn't just about speed, but also about visual appeal and street presence. Words like aggressive stance and premium appearance help viewers imagine the motorcycle's bold, racing-inspired design, engine and performance. This paragraph focuses on what's under the fairing, the engine. The SRS uses a 749 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine, meaning it has two cylinders that deliver a balance of power and smoothness. It talks about how the bike gives a thrilling yet refined ride, so it's not only fast but also controllable. The mention of liquid cooling shows that it's engineered for consistent performance even when ridden hard or in hot conditions. Technology and features. This part covers the modern technology in the motorcycle. It mentions a TFT digital display, a bright color screen, ride modes, and smartphone connectivity, all signs of a high-end modern sport bike. It also lists ABS, anti-lock braking system, traction control, and quick shifter for faster gear changes without using the clutch. This section tells viewers that the bike is not just powerful, but also smart and safe. Comfort and handling. While it's a sport bike, this section explains that the CFMOTO 750 SRS is still comfortable for daily use. It mentions features like a comfortable seat, ergonomic handlebars, and balanced suspension. This helps attract riders who want sporty performance but still want to ride long distances or commute comfortably.